Hello, everyone. Welcome to How to Create and Host Your Course with DotcomPal. So, when you create a membership site, you can sell your own courses, you can sell your digital products, you can sell those amazing creations that you've been working on. It's a great way to start making passive income and income online. And it gets really, really easy and it gets a lot better when you have an automated, all in one system to build, grow, sell, and manage that literally saves you 80% of the work. So, if you're ready, people watching on YouTube, people watching on Facebook, we're going to learn all about creating and hosting online courses, specifically with membership sites today. So let's get started. I am Kareem with Team.com.pal, your all-in-one solution to build, grow, sell, and manage from one place. And I'm joined by my awesome co-host, Abinati Suarez. Abi, how you doing today?
I'm doing great, man. Happy Friday. Feliz Viernes.
Feliz Viernes. I'm working on my Spanish, so we'll get those lessons going. So, if you guys are watching on YouTube, subscribe, hit that like button, hit the notification bell so you can know when we have more updates to help you grow your business. And likewise on Facebook, if you're watching on Facebook, hit that like button and be sure to share this with someone who wants to grow their business. So, the first question is a lot of people might be asking, what are membership sites? So we're familiar with regular websites. Membership sites are basically sites that are members only. Kind of if you went to a store or a club and they say Sam's Club members only, this, bar restaurant members only certain people can access that. And these people who become members of a website can access different things like you could have books, you can have images, you can have different videos, you can have other types of trainings, trials, other stuff. But they're only people available to people who become members and usually pay either a monthly fee or a one-time fee or some kind of membership fee. And the nice thing is, when you have a website like that, a membership site, you can give people access to whatever materials or services they paid for. You can give them online courses. It's a great way to deliver online courses if you're a product creator in the digital space. And the nice thing is you can do that with a passive income. You can sell your courses, your information, your softwares, whatever it is. Now, usually they do have a base level, and that is for free. You don't have to pay for that. And then you can actually set it up so people can get access to like basic stuff. So Abenati, if I was saying I was going to do SEO and I give you a little bit of value, I say, here's how to do an article. But to get my video SEO and to get really my super big secrets on how to rank Google, I'm going to give you the next level for $20 a month. And then we have other levels at 30, 40, 50 are going to show you how to do this, this, and that. Would you be excited to get different levels, more levels, and see what I'm doing?
Yeah, that's right. I we decided to go first with memberships. We will introduce just a little bit about memberships because when we talk about online courses, there is a connection also with memberships because how are you going to deliver your online course? The best way to deliver your online course is with membership. And also when talking about you need to your content or your online course, so only people who buy your course can access, unless you want to give your online course access for free. But it is something important also to consider that you have to have your audience somewhere. You need to have your audience in a place for you to to resend information. And that's the best way. And the best way to do that is with a membership. Why combine both online course and membership? Because we want to show you how to create an online course, but also how to host it. And the way to host an online course is with a membership. So that's
Yes.
important. It is important to do so.
Yes. And definitely that is the best way to deliver. You can deliver it, and I've done it different ways through Google Drive and things like that. But the best way to do it is through a membership site for various reasons that we'll go into. So, people watching on YouTube, people watching on Facebook, let me know in the comments below. Do you have an online course? Are you in the process of creating one? And if so, do you have a membership site? I would like to know. So let me know in the chat box right now. And I'm also going to get into how do you create online course, because a lot of people might be asking, how do you do that? I've created actually a few. I've created different ones on my WordPress, and I've also created different ones. I have a few up on Udemy myself. So here's what you start by doing. You want to find something that you're good at, that you like to do, that you could teach. And this literally could be anything. Could be social media, could be SEO, could be video marketing, could be you're a developer, could be, dating, could be fitness. Any niche you feel that you're really good at. Doesn't have to be making money. A lot of people get stuck here and say it has to be making money. It doesn't. It could be anything. How to repair cars is even fine. And then as you're figuring out your niche and what you really, really like, you want to see, how can I break that down? What would be important to teach someone? And that means breaking it down as detailed as possible. So I say, for example, I don't want to just teach SEO in general. I'm going to go into video SEO. I'm going to say specifically how to rank a video on YouTube and what are the steps to that. You actually want to break that down so that you have a workable and logical framework. First you do this, second you do this, third you do this. I'm going to make a video about this, this, and this. And then when you're doing that, you want to create an outline, because it's not easy to just say, okay, I'm going to make a course. And even when you get the niche, how am I going to do it? You want to break it down to kind of an outline so you know what you're going to teach, what steps you're going to get into. Say if you're doing fitness, say if you're doing SEO, you want to break it down like, okay, how do you first start eating right? Then building your gym routine. Then how do you stay on track? Then how do you maybe get your lifestyle, like throw out all the potato chips and ice cream, or maybe just save that for the weekends, right, Avi? And then you want to create some content. You want to start going through like all your skills, and then maybe you're going to create some PDFs. You could create some videos. You could create PDFs and videos. You could do reports, images, whatever you need to teach people that outline. So just to break it down, find something you're passionate about, get down to the niche, the detail, specifically what it is, make an outline, see how you're going to organize your content. And the really cool thing with DotcomPal is you can store all those stuff in my drive. And let's say you just say, okay, Kareem, I can't just make a course. It's too tough, or it's not my thing. You can actually go to places like Fiverr. You can go to Upwork. You can go to different places, and you can actually get some white label courses, some PLR, some stuff, and get your files ready. And then maybe just add some stuff to them, outsource a lot of the work so that you don't have to figure out everything, figure out all the tough parts of the content. So hopefully that makes sense. So people watching on YouTube, people watching on Facebook, please give me a like. If you're on YouTube, be sure to subscribe, hit that notification bell. And if you're on Facebook, give me a like, give me a share. Also, I want to get a little bit of input from my awesome co-host, Abanati here.
Yeah, I wanted to share a little bit too about that part. When we talk about an online course, the last thing we need to think is that it's too complicated. It is not complicated. In reality, what you need to find out is a need. That's all you need to figure out, a need. And we as human beings, we have a lot of needs. And also right now, there is a lot of needs oriented to online courses. Why? Because online courses are online, and everybody is online right now. So the online the online fever is a lot bigger right now, and people like everything online. So there are all kind of needs, and right now there are new needs too. Like where are our kids hanging out right now, like all day, and they are at home. We are going like 1 year here in Venezuela that we don't have schools. Everything is at home, and all the schools are closed, but they are keep working. They send their homeworks through computer, like online. So everything keeps moving, but everything is going online. So that's something we have to take advantage of. So right now, you need to decide if you want to create an online course. You need to think of what is a need. That's the first thing. And second thing is how can you satisfy that need the fastest way possible, the easiest way possible, and like no other person has done it before. That's something you need to figure out. You need to do it fast. You need to do it simple. You need to do it low cost, and also it doesn't have to be about making money online. You are right on that too. Like there are so many things to do. My wife, she has a business related to kids, and it's about attending kids how to read better. Like there are some kids that have some problems to read, and also have problems to pronounce. So it's called terapista de lenguaje. It's in Spanish. It's about language therapist or language teacher. So she teaches that, and also she has a business online for that. She's getting her clients online. And also my dad has an online business too. He's a musician and he's a pianist, a piano player, and he has created a business around that too. And all his business is around online, on video. So everything is done on video right now, and everything is online. So even WhatsApp is used a lot. WhatsApp groups are used a lot for that. So it doesn't matter the need. There is always a way to deliver it online. You just need to know how to do it. You need to have the right platform to do that. And that Compol has everything you need in order to do that. So it really doesn't get, well, if you are not too techy with videos and all that, well, you can just build the whole idea. You can find the need. You can know how to satisfy that need. You can create the outline or how is the process to satisfy that need. You can create all the content, and you can give it to someone else to create the videos, to create the ebook, to create graphics, the website, and everything. You can give that to someone else. But still, if you have the right tools, you can do that yourself too. For example, today we are going to how to show you how to host that online course with DotcomPal. So maybe you give to someone to generate videos and reports and all that, and you have all that in your hands. And now we will show you how to host it inside that compol, and it will save you like 80% of the work if you try to use other platforms online. So this is what I wanted to share.
Yeah, thank you for that, Aubrey. And yeah, he brings up a good point. Like, if you're thinking about it, find something you're passionate about and see where someone's needs coincide with that. And then you have recipe for a great product. I'm really excited
Yeah.
to keep the .com but first, I think we need some good examples of what a good membership website is. So let me go ahead and share my screen. I got a couple of examples for you guys. The first one, this one is really cool. I like this. This is Melissa. She built a really interesting one at marketingfix.co, and it's actually one for designers and creators. So if you're someone who does UI UX design, or if you're really good at doing Photoshop, things like that, putting things together for different interfaces, that's what she specializes in, and she has a lot of different tools for that. And she found her niche, as Avenatti was talking about. She found her tools, and now she has hundreds of students. And in fact, what's pretty cool about this is she's been doing this for 10 years or over 10 years now, from what I've seen. And it just shows examples here that membership sites not only can be profitable, they can be very long term. It's not something that you're just going to make a course. If you make good courses, you're consistent with your students, which you have all the communication stuff in DotcomPal to do so, then you can really rock it. Just like we're seeing the member downloads area, she has a personalized user dashboard, and it's really exciting to see what you can do with a niche, a concept, and a powerful membership site.
Karim, I wanted to share. Can you see each page as there is consistency in the page?
Yes.
Like it has the same headline, the same footer, and almost just only the different part is the content part. That's a membership, right? And
Yeah.
also it's nice looking, it's simple, it's light, it's beautiful looking. So it's an example of a membership.
Exactly. Yeah. And I'm going to show you how you might say, oh, this is tough. Do I have to learn how to code? I'm not really good with this stuff. We'll show you how to do it in DotcomPal here. Just before we get to that, I have one more thing for you. This one is Piloxing Academy, if I'm saying that right. Otherwise, Piloying Academy. It has different names. But what is it? Simply, it's just a fitness membership site. If you want to get better, if you want to get more fit, start hitting those weights, especially since we're all at home. This is really good. And to be honest, this is amazing. It's a training hub for, I think, over 1.5 million people. So you can imagine, even if they're paying only $1 a day, what that is. 1.5 million subscribers a day paying you, or a week, or a month. That's huge. And really, any type of subscription is going to be profitable. It's going to help you as long as it's on demand. You're providing good resources, and it's simple and easy, like we just seen. And actually, they have some pretty interesting videos about how they do this with fitness. So there's potential, whatever your niche is. Do you want to get fit? Do you want to teach people how to do design? Do you want to teach people, as Abby was saying, piano lessons, language lessons? What is your passion? People on Facebook, people watching on YouTube, think about it. You can even share with me in the comments below. What is your passion? What is it you'd like to do? What is it you feel comfortable doing? And I basically want to say, hey, if you're passionate about something, if you can find a need for that in the world, there is your goal. So if you're watching on YouTube, be sure to subscribe, like this video. If you're watching on Facebook, give me a like and give me a share. So you might be asking, okay, how do you make money with this? It's pretty simple. So as we've seen in Melissa's site, as we've seen in Piloxing, you can sell courses, you can sell your services, you can have digital products, and then you make money because they have different access levels. It might be basic, it might be pro. We'll show you how to set that up. So just for example, let's say you have basic, and that's $20, and you get 100 subscribers. That'd be $2,000 a month. If you get 200 subscribers, that's roughly $4,000 a month, so on and so on. And DotcomPal is going to make that super easy for you, because we can create complete membership sites in minutes, and then you can actually host all of your stuff, your products, everything for free. And you can automate everything to, send all your courses, your files. So once you get this set up, you don't have to constantly set it up. You don't have to be like WordPress. I've done this with WordPress, with different membership sites. And let me tell you, I had to modify it. Sometimes I had problems with plugins. And then it just took a lot longer with, WP members. So, hey, if there's an easy way to set up memberships and do it on autopilot, that's what we're here to do today. And Abby also has some more thoughts on that as well.
Yeah, you guys know, if you find your need, and you also, there is a high possibility there are hundreds and thousands and millions of people all around the world that we have that need to. You have to research, of course. You need to look for online, and also, for example, the piano player, or because my father is piano acompañamiento de piano. It's like when the guy who plays the piano for someone who sings. Someone is singing, or the piano acompañamiento. Someone is going with the singer in the piano. Well, he's the piano guy. And that is something really famous right now because everybody is singing online. So they need a piano player too there. And the same is for my wife. There are a lot of people that are at home, and some people like to get appointments online in a computer. And also, it's something that is getting a lot of strong attention, but still people might say, well, it's better in person. Yeah, sometimes. And also, of course, it's better in person. But right now, people are adjusting to the online world a lot more and getting stuff done online too, a lot more than before. And the technology lets you do that. So, for example, if there is something you know, and also you will find a lot of people online that they have the same need, the same interest, the same behaviors, and the same buying behavior too. So if you find someone there is a high chance you can have a lot of more people online. So if you find someone willing to pay you $10 for a membership, then there is a high chance you can find thousands and millions of people online that will be willing to pay you $10 for your membership too. So it is important you create your online course and you get it online because there is a high chance you will find a lot of people online for that.
Hmm. Exactly. And hey, we're going to show how to set up a membership site. So if you want to sing, get some piano lessons. If you want to teach some linguistics. If you want to get Billy Joel as your member and then charge him $1 million per month, we can do that. Yeah, had to put in one bad joke here today. So everybody watching on YouTube, watching on Facebook, are you ready? All right, guys, if you're ready, let me know in the chat box, and we are going to get this started. So how do you do everything with DotcomPal? I'm going to show you step by step. First, we're in the DotcomPal dashboard, but now I'm actually going to create a new business for today. So if you haven't created a new business, don't worry about it. I'm going to go through the steps, create a new business, set up the site, set up the settings, and get it going. So first, we want to create our business, and I'm going to go ahead and add a new business here, and it's going to be pretty simple. So
let's create a piano online piano business.
Man, yeah, online piano. We're setting up a piano business so we can sing. So if you guys are into Billy Joel, or if you know anything good on piano, people watching on Facebook and YouTube, let me know a good song, a beginner song to learn on piano, and then we can have a beginner and we can have an advanced level. You know, when you're playing with both fingers. Actually tried to learn piano. It was challenging. So first, we want to enter a business name. What does this do? It propagates a subdomain, and you can actually edit and change this later if you'd like. And the nice thing about this is it doesn't have to be, I want to make this clear, a business that you've registered or a business that you have up and running. This could be even you start learning piano, you learn a few songs, or I learned guitar. I play guitar myself, actually, Avi. And then we have a couple songs I can teach, or maybe I want to teach basic chords. That's good enough. So you can put in your business name, Piano Man, and I'm going to go ahead and hit save, and then hit next. Do you have a website? If you do, you can add one through putting code in the header, and there is a getting start guide on that on the dashboard. But for this purpose, I'm going to show you how to create a website in minutes, just like we're doing this. So I'm going to say, no, I want to create one, and hit next. And then you have the big question, what describes your business? This is so we can capture the niche. Remember, we're talking about different niches here. As far as a piano, that would be a professional service. Even if it's something that you're learning, that's one.
It can also be still courses, training, or coaching because it's not something locally. It will be online.
Yeah, or it could be
That's the other option too.
If you want to do it online. Yeah, so one of these two would definitely work. And then I can go ahead and hit finish. And guys, I've set up a business in 3 clicks in just about, or even less than a minute. How many businesses, people on Facebook and YouTube, do you know that you can set up everything just about in 3 clicks? So now I'm at my dashboard here. I can see my other businesses in the drop down menu. And if there's any questions or confusion on setting up a business, I understand. Click on getting started and we'll have some videos to show you how to do it. So first, the biggest thing we want to do on a membership site is deliver stuff, right? So assuming we have our piano videos ready, you see these 3 dots here. We're going to go ahead and click on that, and I am going to click on my drive. So why are we doing this? First, my prerogative is I want to be able to upload everything. We want to have all our files ready so we can deliver them. So this is what I recommend doing first. You don't have to, but I'm going to go ahead and click upload, and then I'm going to go to my desktop, and I just have a bunch of files ready. Let's assume I'm just going to grab a bunch of these, grab a picture of myself, and grab some of these images. I'm going to grab some of these as well. And we're just going to go ahead and upload everything. Now, you can upload 5 files at a time. If you're doing videos, there is a 500 gigabyte limit. And just understand, based on the amount of stuff you have, how big it is, it's going to take a little bit longer, a little bit less time. But now that you have everything here, the nice thing is you can use it not only for your website, but for landing pages. You can use it for different things like your email templates. You can use it for just about anything. That's the nice thing too. You don't have to and you don't have to re-upload anything. Once it's all uploaded, it's uploaded once, and then you can deliver it. Also, the nice thing is you can go here to images and see your images, your documents here, and your videos here, audio, other stuff, and audios if you'd like. So that's
something cool about this too is that this is stored in a really fast server. As we mentioned before, it is important to have sales videos, fast loading sales videos, so people decide to buy. But also, it's very important that once people pay, they have access also really fast to their membership, to the member access. So it's important for also for delivery, because okay, everybody is happy because someone buys. Okay, that's cool. But then you have to deliver too, and you have to promise the same speed or faster delivery as what you did for someone to buy from you. And you are fast for someone to buy from you, cool. There, you should also be fast for delivery too. So it's important to consider that.
Yeah, that's very important, because sometimes if someone buys and then you're not able to deliver, or it's hard for them to get their product, then they might ask for a refund or something like that. So not
and
only
also deliver fast and also deliver secure is something important
and secure, yes. And you can do a lot of password protect and membership stuff, which I will show you here. So first, make sure you have everything uploaded. Then you want to click on build. Now, I'm going to show you how you can set up a site very, very quickly. All you have to do is click on build on the left here, click on the website tab, and then click set up a site. Now you have a bunch of different themes here, and you can go ahead and preview them. You can see what they look like. But one thing I want to highly recommend is that you have something with a login and sign up. Why is that? Because every DotcomPal, when you go the membership site, it's going to make it a lot easier. You can click on login, you can sign up new people, and it's going to be really, really quick and easy. And it's going to be super fun to customize this and get it done. So you can take a look at this on desktop and on mobile. If you like this theme, you just click start with this theme. Now it's loading 18 pages, so it's going to take just a second here. But if you compare this to, as me and Abenadi were talking about before in previous videos, WordPress.
Let's try to do that with WordPress. WordPress jungle. It would take you forever to do that.
You got to love your cPanel, right? But WordPress, even though it's easier than I started coding with just regular Dreamweaver, and that took weeks. And I was just doing basic sites. And then WordPress came and it had themes, and that made it easier. And I'm like, wow, this is cool. But then it still, had issues, and I update plugins and things break, and it wasn't fun.
Yeah.
And then on top of that,
I think 30 minutes, we have 30 minutes right now already, and we are just almost practically done with setting up a site with a theme.
Yeah.
I think with WordPress and the plugins and the pain and all that and the hustle, right now, I think will be done only the WordPress installation and a few plugins.
Yeah. So honestly, WordPress, this is going to save you a bunch of time, because if you're in a business, what is the biggest thing? To save time. That's what you want, to save time and make money. So the first thing we have is the style. Now here's the cool thing with the style. We can change colors, and you can see like what the palettes look like here. And the nice thing is, when we're changing this, we're changing the colors of everything here. So if you look at WordPress, Abby, how hard is it to change a color in WordPress?
Oh, it
Yeah.
is hard. You need to figure out where you can change the color, and once you know, okay, it can be easier. But it's still, if you want to know, well, I want to change the color somewhere here and here and here, and you have to figure out where to edit that. But here, you see, it is easy. It is easy because we know exactly where to change the colors.
Yes. I know where to change the colors. I know how to change the colors. And I can have everything changed really quick with just a click. And the nice thing is with WordPress, I'd have to change something, then look back. Okay, I updated this. Let me look at the page. Oh, that's not right. Let me look at the page. Oh, okay, I got it. But this below here. And then you go back and forth. Now, I'm going to hit save. And I have my color saved. We can go back and change this later. So if you didn't like the color, that's fine. Now we also have the header here, and you'll be able to change this later to change the different types of headers and create new headers as well. This is the default header with Affiliate Pal, and I can go ahead and hit save. And then we have the footer. The footer is down here, and that has the information here for the footer. And we can also do custom footers as well. I can go ahead and hit save as well. And then guys, look, I've counted these. It's about 18 pages. Now, let me ask you this. People watching on YouTube, people watching on Facebook, how long would it take to build 18 pages? And 18 pages with content, not just clicking new page. Probably take days or weeks, maybe even months if you want to really get them looking good. We have 18 pages done here, and literally DotcomPal does 80% of the work. You just have to do the 20% of the work to put your content, to change stuff around, to use the drag and drop editor. It's just that simple. What do you think, Abby? I'm done in just about
I think.
four.
Do you know how hard it is to build a house?
I can't say I've never built one, but it's tough.
It is hard. Well, it is easy to knock down house. Like when you see some programs in the TV, you see it is easy to destroy a house really quickly. Like in a few minutes you can do that. But to build it, it takes time. And the foundations takes time, and the planning, foundation, and painting, and all that takes a lot of time. Well, here we have saved you 80% of that work, because all the foundation is already done for you, and then you just need to work with the 20% to make it unique. And also you can make it as unique as you want. You can change anything inside without getting into the code. If you want, you can spend some time in everything. Also, it depends on your business too. For example, this is something especially for promoting the affiliate.com affiliate program, the .com affiliate program. But also you can adapt it to promote any other affiliate product, even related to piano. Maybe you can find for a piano program, and you can be an affiliate for that without you giving the classes. So it's just an option. The thing is that we have a membership already done for you, with the important pages already done there, like the login page, the sign up page, the thank you page, the report page, the membership, the video page. And all those pages are normal for a membership, and they are already done for you. You just need to customize it, and you don't have to code in order to connect them in anything like that. And also we will show you how to create the access, the members levels, and all that. So it's easier for you to handle, and you don't have to spend all that great deal of time and money too, because memberships are expensive. If websites are expensive, imagine how much someone can charge you to create a membership for you.
Yes.
It's really expensive.
And I can say for a fact, I can even show this, Abby, if you want, that membership sites can cost $1,000, $1,200, $1,500. You can get up to $2,000. You can get up to $10,000 for a good membership site. I know people are saying, "Hey, that's pretty crazy." If you have good content, if you're going to help someone make, say, 50 grand a month or 20 grand a month, which as we've shown isn't that crazy, then yeah, you can really rock with a membership site. So we have our website URL, and now I'm going to go ahead and do a little bit of editing. So what can I do here? If you're taking a look at our best practices guide, then you can see, hey, you can just use a drag and drop editor. I just recommend you can click change image here. You can start just customizing stuff. Literally, it just drag and drop. There's no coding involved. I can click on whatever I want. I can say like learn how to play with 2 hands. Learn what keys are important. Do you want to play like Mozart? Mozart played piano, right? Or, yeah, I think he did. Learn the basics of piano to become a great musician.
You don't have to play like Mozart. That's cool.
Yeah. I'm not guaranteeing that anybody. Someone's gonna watch it. Hit support up for that one. See, what I'll do is I'll deliver you videos that'll send you a link to Mozart and how he played, and you can learn. Learn the different types of tempos. I actually am a musician, funny enough, but I am self-trained by ear. So let's say learn how to play by ear.
I'm a musician too. I play the piano and violin and the viola too, and I like it too.
Cool, very cool. We can start a DotcomPal band. People on Facebook and YouTube, let me know if you'd be interested in that. Get your all-in-one solution to build, grow, sell, and manage, and get some cool tunes with it. And you can get started for free.
Actually, I'm helping with my dad. I'm helping my dad to get a business online, and also I'm helping my wife too. I'm helping both of them with their businesses online.
Yeah. Well, you got the all-in-one solution to build, grow, and sell. Learn how to teach others piano on YouTube. All right, so guys, I customized basically this whole thing. Maybe I can't play like Mozart, but I can definitely do computer stuff, like him if he was alive at that time. And we have everything customized here in a matter of minutes. And you can do more. You can do some stuff with backgrounds. You can bring in elements. And as I've shown in previous videos with landing pages, you can kind of think of this as the way to build landing pages as well. Bring in different elements, videos, icons, shapes, HTML, timer, whatever you want. And you can also change the appearance. So you say, okay, I don't like green. Okay, I'm going to go back to blue. I'm going to change it to red. And not only that, you can see all your website pages here, 18 pages that were created. And you can go to widgets. You can go to menu here. And actually, how I showed, you can change the menu here. You can go ahead and even change the name of the menu. And then everything here is drag and drop. So I can actually change how we're seeing start, products, and top sellers here. I can go ahead and change all of that stuff if I'd so choose. I can rename this menu as well. Also, not only that, I can go back to widgets and I can create new headers. As you see Affiliate Pal here, I can create a new header and I can call it piano header.
Something important also to mention there is that if you edit anything in the header, it will be automatically edited in all the pages too.
Yes.
The same with the footer. So it's a membership. It's an entire website, and everything you edit there will be in all the pages. Inside the content, yeah, you have to edit each page. You have to edit it.
So thank you for that, Avi. So to get here, what you want to do in a header is you can go ahead and pick any header. You can do it from scratch, or you can actually pick different types of headers based on our different templates. And I can hit save here, and then literally, I have the piano header. I can go ahead with that. That changes the header here, as you can see. And then I can
Nice.
add more stuff by going, oh, sorry, by going here to the widgets and then changing stuff in the menu, because I have different types of menus. I can go back and forth. What it comes down to is you want to decide what's the best header you want to use. What's the header that looks nice and clean for you and that is going to be easiest to access. And
As
yeah,
this is a membership, it is important to keep the same logo and sign
yeah,
up menu because this is a membership. If not, then the membership will be destroyed.
yeah. So what you
Well,
want to
that's something you can do if you go and do something from scratch. You have to put the login and the sign up and all that. But this is an example only for the easy way. The easy way to get using a template, a membership template.
yes. And I always recommend, if you can, use the template. And you can, just to note, you can do the same thing for footer, and that's going to propagate across all pages. Now, just to note, just to piggyback off what Abby said, all these changes I'm making inside of here, you have to customize each page. That you do have to
Yeah.
do. There's two things. You have to customize each page, and you have to set each page to members only. But once you do, sorry, once you do the widgets here and you change the menus, that menu will propagate across all pages. Does anybody on YouTube or Facebook have any questions about that? Am I making sense? Am I not making sense? Is there anything you guys want to know about that? Also, you can come in here with the drag and drop, and let's say for whatever reason I wanted products under start. I can do that, or I can take this. I can move these things here. I can take this here and put this under here. So I can just play with this whole thing. I can put
Yeah,
this
that's the menu, right?
on. Yeah, I'm just playing with the menu. So I can
Yeah, you can
actually
move
play with the
you
whole
can move
menu.
around the places.
So you can customize your menu. You can play around with it. You can put stuff under stuff. And then you just want to go ahead and hit save. And then that menu will propagate. So you see, I put products under here. I put all in one platform under products. That's just to give you an idea. You can also put like your basic membership under here. You could put advanced membership under here. And then top sellers, you could even make that page, a membership site as well, and then put your courses. So does that make any sense? Do we have any questions? Any questions in the chat box? Because I know that people might have questions about that. Do I have any questions? Okay. If we do not, big thing here, guys. If you take anything away from this training, please take this. After you create your website, and you can do this with landing pages as well. I have tested this. You want to go to publish, and then you'll see public, password protected, and members only. Big thing is, and I found this when I was making my own membership sites, is you have to have this as members only. So any website you create and edit, big thing is for this, make it members only. Why? Because members only is going to tell the system, the algorithm, that, hey, this is a members only site. And then when you put it under, say, basic membership, advanced membership, you can go and get that membership, level. If you does public, anyone can access it. Sorry, go ahead, Abby.
I wanted to mention there are inside the 18 pages, not all of them are for members. Maybe half of them will be for members. And when you go inside, you will see the name of each page, and you will see how each one, the members one, will have a tag member in there. Can you this page right now? This one is the home page, so it should be public because everyone has to be access
Yeah.
to have access to this. So you have to set this one public and publish it. So I can show you something.
Yeah. Are you going to share your screen?
No, you.
Okay.
Can you publish it? Publish it?
Yeah.
So I can
I
explain something.
Yeah. Oh, sorry. Misunderstood you there. So there we go. And that is published. And we have 18 pages published. So
you see there all the pages there, right? And you see some of them say affiliate members,
yes.
affiliate poll members. Well, those are the pages that should be for members only. So you need to go, for example, the thank you page and the single article and the others, they should be public. But if you want to, but you have to get inside each one of the pages which are for only members. You need to customize it, and those ones you need to publish it as members only page. After you change everything you want, because this is something for members only. So in the publish button, after you customize everything, go to the publish button.
Give me 1 second here.
Can you go to the publish button?
I can, yes. And then I would set this to,
and there you set it to members only. This is something you should do with each page for members only. But for the other pages, they should remain public, you know, because this is a page only for members. And then after you set this up, after you customize each page, and after you make the members pages for members only, and then inside you have to customize the levels. And that's something different. And we will show you that in a sec too.
yeah.
I just wanted to mention that.
Yeah. So you're going to have to go, it'll take a second, but the nice thing is you only have to do it once. So
yes, that's right.
If you only have to do something once, it's not too bad. And I can, say become a piano. Here are your piano lessons. Let's pretend these are piano lessons. I'll just make this a little bit bigger. Here are your piano lessons. Okay, cool. And then you would customize, you bring in your, let's say your video content here to each one of these. So you have 5 video piano lessons. You go.
This will be the page that someone who paid for the class or paid for the training will be access to after we give him access. That's why this is only members only, because if you don't put it to members only, everyone will have access to this.
Yeah, and one thing here, if you want to say piano basic course and just make it easy, you can change the name of the page too, by the way. So let's say piano basic course, let's say members only, and then let's say I'm going to publish it now. And I have 2 membership pages published. It was just that easy. So does anybody have any questions on that? People on YouTube, people on Facebook. Any questions?
And you see there are like I think like 8 members only pages in there.
Yes.
And those are the special ones. You need to put them as members only. You need to customize it and set them as members only pages.
Yes. So just to show again, because I'm also going to make an advanced page. Or you can have a members home page like here.
Yeah.
You're going to come in here. You're going to customize whatever you want.
That's the page they get in after they register. They get into that page.
Yep.
That's the welcome page.
So say piano lessons home. This is, and I'm going to actually call this, you don't have to do this, but piano members home. I can hit save. And okay, piano members home. Great. I can hit publish, members only. And then here's the big thing you want to do is go ahead and publish that as members only. Has to be members only. Does anybody have any questions on that? I think we have a few questions actually.
Yeah. Can we set the payment preference for our customers, such as one-time or recurring payment cancellation? Does the DotcomPal handle this system, or do we have to use third party? Right now, the payment part is under development. It will be located in the sale part, so it's something we have not set right now. We have to use third party right now, but we will be launching very soon that part too of DotcomPal. The drop-down menus open new pages. Oh yeah, it has to open new pages because it's a drop down menu. So it has to, and all those pages are inside to the theme. So
Yes.
yeah, it should open up new pages.
Yeah. Right.
So can you read the other one?
Yes, I definitely can. And yeah, we will have a payment system, but right now I can show you with HTML how to use PayPal or Stripe. Um, drop down menus on new pages. So the drop down menus on new pages are going to be as we shown in the header and the footer, um, based on however you create whatever you create in that widget. So you go in, you set up a header or footer, and then you can type in whatever you want on that widget, and then you can use the links based on the pages you created. So as members only for creation of a page or a site, then when you transfer that page to a new site or business to a public site you created. Members only. It's for a creation of a site. If you're doing a page, you would go to grow and click on landing pages. Then
Oh,
when
you mean about transferring the page? You know, there is a way to transfer the page, but you have to download it,
yes,
like the template, and you can upload it inside another business.
I
I
can show
think
you.
that new business need to do everything, but I have not tested that yet, like downloading a page and uploading it to a new business and then to customize it. I would have to test that. I would have to test that, but yeah, there is a way you can create a page and you can download it and you can send it to someone else and that person can upload it to his business, DotcomPal business dashboard too. And then inside, we need to test if it is possible to include it inside the membership. Yeah, I need to test that. I
Yeah,
have not tested that
you can test
before.
that. Also, that's a good question. So if I'm going to share my screen here, you can download this as a template. Let's say you want the piano basic course. Is that
I will write that down.
yeah? Go ahead and make a
Test it
note.
out.
We're going to test it out. Here was a basic answer to give you now, Nate. You can download these three dots here. You can go to a
Yeah.
page you built, download as a template or HTML, and then it'll give you a DCP file, which is a .compal specific file. And then you can go to, say, another business here, and then go
Yeah.
load it when you click new web page, or you can do that with landing pages. I have tested the landing pages. I have not tested the website
But
page.
there, you
So that,
see, there is no way to import pages, right?
yeah,
There in the
so
membership part.
yeah,
So
so
maybe
you'll have to
you can create a new page, but you cannot import pages like you can do inside the landing pages section.
yeah.
So I think it
Let
is
me
not
test
possible
that.
to do that.
Let me test that. That's actually a really good question. So, Nate, I will bring that up after we are done here. So, guys, thank you for your questions. If you have any more, please drop them in the box below. So, next, we're going to click on settings. Now, we're just going to do a couple of settings here. First thing I want to show you is, though, which is really cool, you have all your homepage stuff here. And then you can see all of your Affiliate Pal pages here. When you go to memberships, you actually have the URL for sign up. So if you can see here, just
Yeah.
copying it and pasting it in, I can see, oh, well, how do I get the sign up to your page? Well, you just click on sign up and then send them this link. You can actually hit these icons.
Yeah.
Oh, how do I log in? Now, if you don't have access to a page, you can click view here and you'll see access denied. So if someone, say, didn't pay their fee, I say, Abby, these piano lessons, I'm not going to pay you for them. He says, okay, I'm going to take away your access, takes away access denied. I can't hang out with Billy Joel anymore, and I'm sad. If members,
Can you go up there?
sorry.
Can you show? Yeah, there you see in the members home. That's what you need to decide to pick. Can you select? Well, select welcome page. There.
And then
Yeah,
you can
there
select pages.
you need to no. That will be the home page. No, you need to select another page.
Where did I have my?
The members welcome page.
I had.
Look for the web
Oh, here I
members.
found it.
Yeah, that's the page people will see after they log in.
Mm-hmm.
After they log in, no, that's not the page. Members homepage. What is the page?
I have it here. I'm just trying to select it.
No, that's another one.
I can,
Yeah, no, that's not. Maybe you have to refresh,
yeah, give me a
but it
second.
has to be the members welcome or members home page. Members home. That's the page you need to select there. But you can select any page anyway too. But that's the page people
Got
will
it.
be
Just had to
reading after
refresh.
they log in.
Sorry.
Yeah, that's it. That's the page.
Got it.
Ah, yeah, we changed the name. That's why.
Yeah, I just changed the name to Piano Members
Yeah,
Home.
piano
Sorry,
members
that's
home.
confusing.
That's the page where people will go. And the other ones are you cannot edit it because they are already um, coded and those are the URLs you need to show to people. For example, the sign up page, you give the sign up page to if someone pay for that, then you give them the sign up page so they can register themselves. And if someone needs to know what is the login page, there is the login page too if they need that. And the night page is something you can preview, and also you can just see which is the URL for the night page. So those are three pages that are already coded. You don't need to do anything to them. But yes, you can pick the members home where people will go after they log in or after they register.
Yes. So now actually we have everything set up here. If someone doesn't, let's say I don't pay Obby, I can simply hit show access denied page. Instead of hiding the link, I would recommend this. The big things here are, as I always said, select the home page, have the sign up, the login, everything is put in there for you. You don't even have to do any of this yourself. All you have to do is select the home page, select show access denied page if they do not have access. Now here's something really awesome. I think you guys are going to like this. I really like it. We have email sequences here. Now, these are not editable, but here's why I really like this. Let's say I have 100 members, I do a product launch or something like that. Then people are going to come in and sign up. So already we have emails that show so-and-so that comes in. Their name's already hard-coded. They have the login. They have to your success. Why is that so awesome? Because how long would it take, Avi, if I had to send out links to each one of these membership settings and then make a sign up and then a forgot password email and then a new level and then
Yeah,
sign up?
that is a big pain. And also, this is really quick. I have tested, and it's quick. The email gets really quick in it. And for example, if you create a member manually,
Mm-hmm.
and that person gets the email right away with the login details. So it's something really easy. You just and it's already coded there. So you don't have to set up the login page. You don't have to get an email. Like this is something if you do it manually, but also if they register, they get also their login details too.
Yeah. And the nice thing is you don't even have to so this is all with our SMTP server. It's fast, it's quick, it's easy, and it's all done for you. You don't have to figure out sequences. You don't have to hire a copywriter. It's all done. A lot of this is all done. As you can see, a lot of this is all done for you. You just have to do a few settings. So now we have our membership settings, our home. We have our sign up, login, access denied, all hard coded for us. We're good to go. It's going to show access denied if I don't pay Obby for piano lessons. And it's going to have all of our emails ready to go for us. And we can just hit save. Does anybody have any questions? Let me just check. Any questions on YouTube or Facebook about how to set up the settings? Okay. All right, guys. So we have so think of it like this. We have all of our stuff uploaded. We have our website created. We have all of our settings set up. What's the one thing that we need to do now? If I go back to my website, which is just going to take a second here. We can see that, oh, piano basic course, piano members home. I'd like to go there. But wait, I can't get there. Why can't I get there? Oh, access denied. What do I need to do? The last step for a membership website, and a critical step, is to actually set up levels and to set up users. So how do we do that? You go to memberships, and then there's membership levels. Now, as we were talking about, you can have, as I said, $19 a month could be the basic, then you could have an advanced level. Then you can have a level on top of that. You can keep creating levels. And then the nice thing is, based on those levels, you can set up different price points. You can set up different access points. And it's going to be really simple and easy. Just let me show you how to do one level, and then we will do another one. So let's click on new level, and let's call the level just basic piano. Say for basic piano players, $20 a month. And then I literally have that membership set up. Here's the big point. I want to select all the pages it's going to be used for. So I have all these pages here. You can actually click that button up top here and select all, and then I can go to the second page, and then I can say, oh, I want all of these pages as well, and then we're good to go. If
one sec, there you are creating the which level are you creating?
I'm just creating the basic one. I'm going to also create an advanced one in a second.
Okay, the basic one, because right now you need to uncheck all the pages. I will tell you why. Because right now the pages are free, and everyone can access the pages except the pages where you put as member only. So these pages will be for basic. So you are creating a basic, right?
Yes.
So what you will do is you will look for the pages that you already set for members only.
Mm-hmm.
And you decide which pages the basic members can access. For example, if I'm you, I will select only the affiliate poll members free report and the members download free gifts.
Okay, we can do it like that. I was going to
only that
create an
only that because those are for the basic people, and the rest of the pages they won't be able to access the other pages with the members only tag. And the other pages which are public, everyone will have access to that. So that's how you set the levels. So the basic will be people. Oh yeah, the members home too, and the members free report, and also you can also give access to is the members download free gifts. That's the other one, because that's another one for members only. So those three pages, the piano members one, that's a must.
Yeah.
And also the members free report, so they can download the free report. No, that the course one we can add it for advanced people, for the pro members.
Yeah.
So you can check that one. The members free, yeah, check that.
Yeah, we can do these.
And the download free gifts too.
Yeah, we can do that. I'm picking
those three.
Okay.
And those three are for members only. And those three also will be only for basic. And then I will show you how you can how do you say, plan the advanced one.
Sure.
So you can see the difference.
Alrighty. So let me go really quick. So these are the files and things you're going to be delivering them. So what do they have access to? Let's say they have access to everything. I go through here. If there's any videos, we can give them access to that as well. And then integrations, what is that? So you can integrate it with third party. So let me show you like the different integrations you can add. If you've taken a look at some of my other videos, you can integrate that with an autoresponder. You can integrate that with content. You can integrate that with a CRM, webinar, whatever you want to have there. And as we can see, autoresponder, customer relationship management, webinar. If we want to integrate any of those into the membership sites, we can, and it's simple and easy to do so. And then we can see all the pages that we have access to. We can see all the files and folders, all the videos and playlists, and then we have a membership level set up, so I can go ahead and create publish. And then we can do a new level, and I can call this advanced piano or advanced level, however you want to call it. I can go ahead and click create. Now here, what I would do specifically, what makes this different is I would go to Piano Basic Course. Maybe I'd go to Chapter 1. I'm still going to give them access to Members Home.
Yeah, that's right. There, you have to pick the basic one, and also you have to pick the other pages that will be for advanced. The other ones are already, they already have access to because they are public. You know what I mean? So
Yeah.
you don't have to check them.
So now we can go ahead and give them the files, simply rinse.
Yeah, that's right.
That's the big thing. The biggest thing is you want to make sure they have the files and the right pages. If you get the files and the right pages and the right videos, then you should be good to go. And then, of course, we can integrate, our autoresponders, our CRMs, our webinar into here. It's basically allowing them to say, hey, I want to use this third-party tool. Can I use this also in your membership site for whatever reason you need it? And then I can hit save and next. We have everything good to go. Members area, boom. We can see all of our pages and see everything. And then I can go ahead and hit publish. Now, the thing we need to do, the last thing we need to do is we have our website, we have our settings set up, we have the files we uploaded and we're going to give to them. We just need to go here where we see this person icon, click add new member, and then I can type an email address here.
That's a way to add a member. There are two ways. The first one is adding them manually, but the other one is just sending them the registration URL.
Yes.
So you can automate it. When someone buys from you, you have to send them an email with the registration page, or you redirect them after they pay inside the payment platform. You just need to give them the registration URL, and they will get everything automatically.
Yeah. And just to show you, this is a manual way of doing it. This way you probably wouldn't be doing it as often, but I'm entering an email, a name, and I can choose a level, basic, advanced piano, and click add member. Here's a really cool thing. What Abby was saying is if you go to settings when you're doing your launch or you're doing whatever it is that you're doing, generally you'll be giving them a sign up link. And then they can also get, let me pull this up here. They can also register through this sign up link, put the password in, click sign up, and then they will also be registered as a new member when you send that sign up page. So there's two ways of doing it, as Abby was saying. So thank you for bringing that up. So does anybody have any questions on how to add people, how to set membership levels, anything like that? People on YouTube, people on Facebook, do you have any questions?
Also, this is something we did it today basically because we wanted to focus on only the I would say the online course. We are talking about online course, but also we needed to connect it with membership. This is the first training we give, Karen and me give about memberships. We will be creating other trainings related to membership because this is something a really nice advanced feature. You don't have to code anything. You just need to know how to do it. You just need to know where to click. So this is something we would like to show you how to do it. But this is only the first one. We will be creating more videos related to memberships. Also, we can also create them from scratch. This is something more advanced, but we can cover that later. But today we give you an example of how to use a template membership. So you can also avoid so many frustration going from scratch, but it's also possible to create it from scratch too.
It is. It definitely is. Does anybody have any questions? I know I went over a lot of stuff today. Do I have any questions?
Okay, now I would like to mention that I tried now, I see inside the members area in the members, when if you create a membership, you can't import pages in there. That's what I see. If you go to the grow pages, to the grow section, can you go to grow section? Can you show the screen, please?
I definitely can. I was going to show one more thing as well, if that's cool.
I think you already showed that part, but inside members, you cannot import pages. As you can see, you can do in the grow section inside landing pages. There in landing pages, you can import pages.
Yeah.
But you see you cannot do inside, you cannot do that inside the, what did you say? But let me try to do something
Here,
because
yeah, let me go ahead and show this. So yeah,
okay.
website you cannot import pages, but if you go to grow here, what Abby was saying, and you go to landing pages, you can there's an import function here, and I can click import and go to browse, and then I can go to downloads, and then
Yeah, can you import the page there and see if
yes,
we can connect it inside the membership area?
I think so. But give me one
Because
second.
inside the memberships, you see inside the membership you can create additional pages. So maybe there is a way
I have a
to
way.
create.
Actually, I have a way. Check this out. I think I know what we can do. So I'm just testing this. Give me 1 second to do one thing. Save as a template. Yes. Piano page template. Member template. Hold on with me, guys. See if I can do this. Go back to build.
From your templates.
Yes.
Yeah,
A
that's
little
what I
bit of
was
a
going to do.
roundabout way. That's a little bit of a roundabout way. But yes, I got it to work.
Yeah,
Um,
I was going to do that too.
I
So
think an import feature would help as well. So I will let the team know that because that might be a little bit
yeah,
more.
we can let the team know about it. But yeah, you can use this. You can download the page, and then you can go to grow and import it as a landing page.
Got it.
And then when you go back to the membership, you create a new page, and in the templates you select your template,
Yep.
and there you got it there. So that's the way to do it.
Yeah.
That's
So
the actual way. But we can ask them to see if we can
yeah.
and we can add that the import feature inside the membership or the website or the how do you say the grow section. We need to add the import feature inside the grow section. Grow section, no, the build section. Sorry.
The build section. I agree. I know what you're saying.
So Nate Boyd, is that can answer your question?
Nate. Does anybody else have any questions? I know this was a big session. We did a lot of stuff. So if you have any questions, can you let me know? What is the security level seek? What is the security level seek? This security can't download if student accesses. Screen recording is not allowed. Gasper, let me
What is the security level?
for you.
Seek
Sorry,
this security
I
can
don't
download
exactly
even
know.
if the student access the link.
Can I
Screen
suggest
recording is not
something?
allowed. I don't. I'm not sure if I understand the question.
Okay,
About the
here's
security level, I mean, maybe
the membership
he's talking
card.
about membership access.
Yeah, I apologize, Gasper. I don't quite know exactly what the question is, so you can do one of two things here. Go ahead and click help here, or go to the help desk or the official Facebook group, and then we can help you there, and you can ask whatever question or get whatever help you need, or you can leave a comment in the Facebook group, and we can get back to you. I'm sorry, I'm not 100% sure what you mean here. Will Academy Pro 2 ever be integrated into DotcomPal? I believe it already is. I asked Chirag. I'm not 100% sure on that. That's something I'll have to get with the team with as well. Sorry.
I will ask the team about the integration with Academy Pro 2 with DotcomPal. Have you noticed that?
I have not. That's something I need to go ahead and check. All right, everyone. So thank you for your questions. People watching on Facebook, YouTube, thank you. Those are all really good questions. I really like Nate Boyd's question. Also, Gasper, Kobo, sorry I couldn't answer your question, but please click on the help button and try and reach out to us so we can help you out here. Just to explain the process again, Nate, what I did is I just went to build. I chose a whatever one I wanted. I downloaded it as a template. It comes as a DCP file. Then I went to grow, and then I went to landing pages, and then I clicked the import feature. I imported that page, saved it as a template, came back to build, and then just created a new web page with that template. So hopefully that makes sense. And just to show you guys, after I've set the membership levels with Piano Basic course, I can come in here and I can see my membership videos, and then I'm all good to go. So there's a lot of stuff to this. I understand, there's going to be some time.
Nice, you tested, right?
Yes, I did test it. It did work. So guys, there's a lot to this.
So you are welcome to see my video piano lessons. You paid for it, so
yeah,
there it is.
you can see.
Remember, keep paying, because if not, I will send you the access the access denied page.
Yeah, the access denied. You're not allowed in here. Why not? But, and it looks like this. No access for you. You didn't pay. So, guys, I know there's a lot to this. This is definitely an in-depth lesson. So please, if you have any questions, anything you'd like to know, I know a lot of people want to know this, leave it in the Facebook chat, leave it in YouTube. I would love to know any of your comments, questions, or if there's any confusion, if there's any stuff we need to expound upon. If you're watching on YouTube, be sure to subscribe, like this video, and hit the notification bell. And if you're watching on Facebook, like this video and go ahead and share it. Now, guys, if you're an affiliate with us, this is a good time to go pro, literally, to go from 30% commission to 50%, and you can get unlimited visits, leads, contacts, websites. You can get some awesome specials. And if you don't have a free account, now's a good time to do it, because not only can you do amazing things like this, but you can actually have $100 a month service for free. No credit card required. Set up a business in 3 steps and a website in about 4 or 5 steps in minutes, as we showed here today. But don't just get a free account. Use it to build, grow, sell, and grow your business. Because as you grow your business, we grow. As Albie Naughty says, as you grow, we grow. We can't grow if you don't grow. I'd like to give a shout out to my awesome co-host Amanati, to Manish, to Shirag, and the awesome support people of DotcomPal. How long before the sell feature is ready? Um, I don't have an exact answer, but hoping in the coming months or next month. Um, but we will get back to you on that. So, everyone, thank you so much for tuning in. I hope you got some awesome value and you can start selling your courses online. Keep building, keep growing. I'm Kareem with Team.com, your all in one solution to build, grow, sell, and manage from one place. Have an awesome weekend, and we will see you guys back here on Monday at 9 a.m. Eastern Standard. Thank you, everyone.